A config file is used to change little things about your game, like colors, removing bloom and fog, unlocking FPS, using 120 field of view, special or normal keybinds, and more. In this guide, I will show you how to set it up. Navigate to Titanfall2 install location. By default, this is on your C drive, program files x86, Origin Games, Titanfall2. From here, go to R2, cfg, and create a new text file here named autoexec.txt. Change the extension of this file to .cfg, resulting in an autoexec.cfg file. If you don't see file extensions, click View and check the file name extensions. Now open the file. Here you can add whatever comments you like. I have compiled some at the end of the description with explanations of what they do. Commenting. The two slashes are called a comment. Anything in a line written behind these will not be executed and is used for descriptions. To make your config active, go to Origin, right-click the game, click Game Properties, then Advanced Launch Options, and type +exec autoexec.cfg, and then click on Save. You can also do this on Steam or EA app, however Origin is preferred for playing Titanfall 2. If you want to know how to install Origin, you can follow my tutorial linked below. Now you can launch your game. The best way to test if your CFG is working is to have the color changes bound to your function keys. When you press them in a multiplayer menu, you will see your game change colors. Naming the exec. You can change the name autoexec to whatever you want. Just make sure to update that name everywhere. Using multiple configs. You can also use multiple different config files if you want to, though you can only run one from Advanced Launch Options, so the other would need to be activated from your main CFG, deleting the effects of the config file. If you put commands that change the visual effects of the game into your CFG, it's sometimes not enough to just delete them from the CFG, since the effect was already applied to your video config. If you want to fully revert it, navigate to Documents, Respawn, Titanfall2, Local, and delete the videoconfig.txt file. The game will create a new one with default settings on the next launch. Just make sure to change your graphic settings to your preferred ones after that. And same goes for control binds. Even after deletion from your CFG, they will stay written into the settings.cfg file in the same location. You can find them there and delete them individually, or also delete the file entirely, though that will reset your controls back to default. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this guide will help you have a slightly better experience in Titanfall 2. Oh, and it also works for Titanfall 1.